How to use ING Bank Points. Follow my instructions. If you have a rewards account with ING Bank, you earn points every time you use your debit or credit card. These points can be redeemed for shopping, travel, vouchers, or even cashback depending on your program. Here's how to access and use them step by step. First, log into your ING Bank app or online banking portal. Go to the rewards or points section from the main menu. There you'll see your total available points and recent earning activity. Browse through the available redemption options like gift cards, merchandise, flight tickets, or bill payments. Select the option you prefer and check how many points are required. If you don't have enough points, some options may let you combine points with cash. Next, confirm your selection and follow the prompts to complete the redemption. For digital rewards like e-gift cards, you'll usually receive them instantly by email. For physical items, shipping details will be provided after your order. Always review the terms. Some rewards may have an expiration date or limited availability. And remember, the more you use your card, the more points you'll collect. That's it. That's how you use ING Bank Points to get the most out of your spending. Thanks for watching.